This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA. The APCH3 units feature durable scroll compressors and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion, and the units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.